Welcome to the new class in Air Quality Engineering, Civil 305, Combustion. So today we'll be talking about what are the fuels that burn. The fuels that burn are mainly hydrocarbons. They include hydrogen and carbon, and the burning is actually the breaking of these bonds. What breaks are the carbon-carbon bonds, carbon-hydrogen bonds. So, for example, if we look at this formula over here, CXHY, this is represent any hydrocarbon plus oxygen will lead to CO2 and water. X and Y here are the stoichiometric coefficients that we can use it to balance this equation. So the oxygen we used will be X plus Y over 4, and that will lead to an amount of CO2 and amount of H2O equals to Y over 2. Combustion means reaction with oxygen, normally from the air. Common fuels that have both carbon and hydrogen. There are also some other substances that really burn, such as sulfur, phosphorus, metals, such as magnesium and iron, but this only happens at very high temperatures. Compounds like ammonia contain no carbon, but they have enough hydrogen that can burn. So we can burn NH3. There are also some other materials that burn, but at least 99% of the combustion in the world is some form of conversion of carbon and hydrogen. So we do see this. The very common example is at your car when you are fueling your car with gasoline, petrol, petroleum, whatever you want to call it. So when you fuel the car, this is basically a hydrocarbon and it can burn. Other types of fuels include gaseous ones. So, for example, the taxis in Abu Dhabi that operate with natural gas. So this is a gas that also burns, and this gas, in this case, is methane. When you change your gas cylinder at home for the stove, again, you are putting new fuel. Why are you replacing it? Because the old fuel is consumed. Because this reaction is taking place and the amount of fuel that's available within your cylinder keeps decreasing by time. So you need to replace it with a cylinder that has full of this fuel. Next, we'll be talking about some examples of fuels in the next video.